Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about something so important. I call it so important because I usually say it has destroyed many homes. So I won't shy away from it. I won't shy away from it. I'll keep saying and advising people about it. So first of all, I want to say a very big thank you to all my returning subscribers and to my returning viewers that don't want to subscribe to my channel. One day God will touch your heart to subscribe to my channel. So thank you for also coming back to watch my videos. And if you're new here, please click on that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. So today let's talk about something important, as I said. Now, just like one of the videos I made, no blending, no boiling, so you don't have an excuse. You don't have an excuse. So what do I have here? Hey, this is another one. Something so simple, something so lovely that you will love. Yes. The first one is my bitter cola. I have my bitter cola here. This is bitter cola. This is bitter cola. If you don't know what bitter cola is, this is bitter cola with many health benefits. See, one good thing about these natural remedies, they come with many goodies. So it's not just helping you down there. It's not just for it to help you function properly. It will also help your internal system. It will help you in various ways. Those of you that have high sugar level, this will help to balance your sugar level. Sugar also used to affect down there. If you don't know it now, sugar also affects there. So when you are taking sugary things, try to detox. For those of you that are addicted, because I've preached and preached to many people, but I noticed that some is just in their system. They can't do without some of these sugary things. So try to detox, and this is one of it. Bitter cola will go a very long way to help your body. So bitter cola is the first thing I have here, and the next thing I have here is my granules. You don't need much if you don't love granules. 20 naira granules. If we still have 20 naira granules. In your area, if you have 20 naira granules and you're the type that don't like granules, that quantity is just enough. 15 naira granules is fine too. So I just have little here. So what will you do with this? Chew the both of them together. Chew these two things together daily. Chew it together daily, and you'll see how your system will just change for good. This will help you perform well. It will help you perform well. Bitter cola is good. Granite is very good too. So combine these two things together. You know what it means? It will help you to perform so well. It will help you to perform so well. So I hope you're going to give this a try, because no excuse, no excuse, no excuse. Things have changed though. See, women don't they turn to something else. So you too, you have to buckle up. I made a video for women. As I used to say, I love to balance things. So hey, that video will also make her wet, so that you too you enjoy her. So if you have a wife that is usually dry, I made a video yesterday. So watch that video for your wife or tell her. Hmm? So it's a very good one that will help her feel wet, make that place feel good. You enjoy her, she will also enjoy the process too. So give this a try, your bitter cola and your granite. And if you can't chew it at home, you're rushing in your workplace, chew it there, drink your water. Water is very important for us too. So when you chew your bitter cola and your granite, try to take lots of water. It's very important. We need water to function well. Our body needs water to function well. So take lots of water. And as simple as that. So that is it for this simple natural remedy, bitter cola and granite. The combination of these two things is a bomb. The combination of these two things is a must try. Okay, it's a must try. You have to try it and see how effective it is. So you don't have an excuse, no blending, no boiling. Just chew it together with your teeth and drink lots of water. That is it for today, and I hope you find this helpful. If you do, please click on that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.